Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to fix Facebook dark mode option is not showing. So let's get started. First of all, if you use Android device, you should go to Play Store. If you use iPhone iOS device, tap on App Store. Then we should go to search bar at the bottom right corner, and Android device I guess at the top you will see search bar. Then type in Facebook and then find Facebook app. Alright, as you can see near Facebook says often, that means you not need update your Facebook app. And on Android device same, if you see open not update icon is not showing, that means you not need update your Facebook app. Alright, next step, on Android and on iOS iPhone device you should go to settings and find apps. On iOS iPhone device you should tap on general and tap on iPhone storage. Alright, as Android, as iPhone iOS device we should just clear cache on Facebook application. You just find app Facebook, then tap on offload app and confirm it, just tapping upload app. Then you will see here is reinstall app. On Android device you should tap on clear cache, I guess at the bottom right or left corner, clear cache. Last way what you can do, you just delete Facebook app. On iOS device you hold finger on Facebook app, tap on remove app and then tap on delete app. On Android device I guess same steps. Alright, and last what you need to do, open up Facebook. If you use Android device, tap on three lines at the top right corner. If you use iPhone iOS device, tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy proceed to settings. Scroll down a little bit and here you will see dark mode. Tap on dark mode and tap on, and here as you can see now we fixed Facebook option dark mode on Facebook app. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.